Welcome today. I am your hostess, Christine D'Souza, leading you through our current series, Wake Up and Feel Alive, where we are exploring how to generate natural energy in our everyday lives. Today, we're talking about physical healing and recovery from our topic this week, which is movement. We explored how moving your body generates loads of natural energy, and now we're going to talk about how to care for that exerted body to replenish and improve your natural energy even further. So there are a few angles we have to hit with this. And some of them will roll into next week's topic of rest, but for now, I'm going to go with the ones that will concern you immediately after moving your body. Nutrient timing is the first one we're going to talk about. And most people think of working out and then they don't want to eat because they don't want to waste their workout, when it's actually the complete opposite. When you think of food as nutrients and fuel, it's a little easier to kind of wrap that head around the idea of eating before and after your workout within a certain time frame, depending on your activity and the intensity level. I really like to keep things simple and just give you the cliff notes so you just know what to do and why. So first, a little analogy. Say your car ran out of gas, but you have to drive another 200 miles and fast. Would you leave your tank on empty? And would you change your oil before and after? Most likely, the answer is yes. For best performance, or if any performance at all. And to take care of the longevity of the car, you would naturally do that. So there is a conversation, though, that I will mention around fasted cardio, if you've heard of that. It's a real big story for another day, but there is very scientific studies on that, arguing that fasting doesn't make a big positive impact for the average exerciser. So if you want more energy for your workout, you fuel it. With what and why? Okay, so you want 30 to 45 grams of carbohydrates like oatmeal with some protein. Some other examples are like toast with eggs and a good fat, maybe banana and peanut butter, something like that. Because the carbohydrates will serve as your body's favorite energy source for weight training and endurance workouts. And the protein as amino acids to aid in the performance and the recovery. So you, of course, can take a pre-workout supplement if eating is not your favorite thing before a workout. Post-workout, though, is super important. We want to make sure that we give the body what it needs so that it moves out of the catabolic state, the breaking down state, and goes forward into the anabolic state, the building back up, okay? So catabolic is when your muscles are breaking down, okay? And we don't want to stay there. So your post-workout phase, you want to support your body by having more carbs and protein, okay, for that repair period. So we need to raise the depleted blood insulin, right? That's another thing that happens. We need to decrease the cortisol and restore the muscle glycogen from all that tearing that happens when you work to failure. When you break down the muscle fibers from strength training, you need to rebuild. Right? You need the protein to rebuild and prevent the muscle damage. So what kind and how much post-workout? Immediately within the hour, your body is most receptive to utilize what you feed it. So give your body slow and fast digesting carbs. That would be like a slow digesting oatmeal and a fast digesting simple sugar. Okay, so a combination of those two things. You want 20 to 35 grams of protein. Whey, the body responds really well to whey protein, like a shake or something like that. Chicken or vegetable protein, 40 to 60 grams of carbs, okay? Pay attention to your protein pacing throughout the day. Start the day off with protein and get 0.86 grams of protein per pound. I know that sounds like a lot, but it's definitely helpful. That's going to help you maintain your lean mass and improve your body composition. But also, to your goal of increasing natural energy, if you support the healing and recovering of your body, you'll reduce the energy leach, right? And avoid that fatigue that sucks the life out of us when we don't support our energy systems. It's a lot about what we talked about in the last session. So resting your body also comes into play. When we discuss natural energy, the need to allow enough time for the body to heal makes a difference in energy and in performance. So usually we need 24 to 48 hours of rest depending how hard you worked and what muscles you're working. And your trainer can help guide you through that. If you're training to failure and at a higher intensity, you're going to need more time to recover. But if you're just going for a walk or you're doing a couple of burpees, you can safely move your body like 5 to 6 days a week. That's not really going to be a problem, okay? So you should feel, though, like you're getting stronger. If you're repeating a workout the following week, you should start to feel stronger and not depleted, okay? With each session, you should feel better and feel more energized. So with that said, it's okay to take a break and listen to your body. Don't defeat your purpose by overtraining. Now, let's talk about full hydration to increase your natural energy. How does that work? If you consider that the body is 70% water and is a large part of that transportation system we were talking about, transporting your nutrients, right, like we discussed, and transporting the oxygen, this plays a huge role in making sure that your energy level is topped up. So it sounds too good to be true, right? Drink water. Well, it kind of is. But the part that's not is that it's our commitment to keeping it hydrated, right? Keeping that consistent habit. That's usually where we fall off. So there's so many other reasons to drink up, like better sleep, better skin, better brain function, and a healthier bladder. And we'll explore those at a later date because today we're focusing on creating more natural energy. So how much water should you consume? 1/2 to 1 ounce per pound of your body weight to replenish what's lost through urine and sweat and breathing. Yes, we lose our liquid through breathing, right? So drink up and drink water. Another way is self-myofascial release, okay, or a good massage. This piggybacks, on everything that we've talked about, like getting the oxygen and the nutrients exactly where it needs to be in the body. So this, in turn, it totally helps with the speed of recovery of your muscles and your future performance. So it also opens up the flow of the lymphatic system to more efficiently usher that waste through the system and get rid of those toxins that make us feel lethargic and heavy, giving us the benefit of more what? More natural energy, right? That's our goal. That's our goal for this series. So there you have it. These are some ways to care for your body in motion to increase your natural energy buzz. So we're moving our body, okay? We're restoring it, hydrating it, and detoxifying it. So let's layer the habit of movement and hydration this week onto our mindset practice and really start to feel the amazing difference attention to these small details can make in the energy and quality of life. So thank you for joining me. And again, till next time. Thanks again for watching. I think you are awesome for being here and putting in the time and the energy into yourself and creating more natural energy for your life. That is so admirable. And if this series has helped you, please do click the like, click the subscribe, check out below the video and find out how you can follow me and how you can reach out and contact me with any questions that you might have. I would love to connect. So thanks again, and I will see you next time.